So we're going to replace all of these relays. These guys here. We might as well because they're inexpensive. You know, we got at least two of them that are suspect. So we're going to replace all the relays for the side stand, for the turn signals, for the clutch mechanism. It's all got relays that relate to it for safety, which are really part of the problem why this bike is not operating properly is because of all the safety features on it. That's what I think, at least. Yeah, we no longer have that dimming of the headlight either. I mean, it's very minor, if anything.
Well, you get a tiny little bit from the brakes.
Right, exactly. But I mean, it's not like it was.
Where is the LED light?
His light?
Let's see what it's...
His awesome light.
It really shouldn't.
It shouldn't matter, but those
Because they're
things...
designed to work with all that shit, but... High beam, low beam. Turn the high beam on and pull the clutch.
Oh.
See, that's proper.
That's how it should be.
Which did, I don't know. But
Well, I did a lot of cleaning.
yeah, I think that may have been some of what was going on.
I've been cleaning more up in here inside of these. In fact, did I hit that one? Yeah, I did. But that one I hadn't done yet. I did that one. I cleaned all those. I cleaned all the relay connections.
That's a good thing that we.
Oh yeah.
That's working properly. So.
All that goop that was on each that I didn't get to yesterday, I got now. So we're making some progress.